Hey guys, today we are making orange cake. It is a light, sweet, buttery, and citrusy cake that is so simple to make. We use Cara oranges, but feel free to use whatever oranges are local in your grocery store. It only requires a handful of ingredients and will be ready in under an hour. Our version, of course, is gluten-free, nut-free, eggless, and can easily be made vegan with a few tweaks. So come on, let's make it. We're going to start out by zesting 5 oranges. Next, we are going to take 2 of them, cut them both in half, and then we are going to juice 1.5 of them. We need about 3 tablespoons of juice total. Next, take our gluten-free flour, baking powder, kosher salt, and mix together until combined. Next, we are going to mix our cornstarch and water until it is thin and watery. It will be thick and tacky at first. Next, mix butter and granulated sugar until it is smooth and creamy, about 1 to 2 minutes. Slowly add in our cornstarch water, pure vanilla extract, orange juice, and our orange zest. Next, we're going to add in half of our flour mixture, then the milk, and then the rest of the flour mixture. And we're going to mix until just combined. Scrape down the sides of the bowl, and then we are going to add it to our cake pan. The batter will be very sticky, so it is a little difficult to smooth it out, but you want to take an icing spatula and make sure that it is completely smooth on top, otherwise it will be very lumpy when it bakes. Next, we're going to bake for 40 minutes, wait for it to cool, and dust with confectioner's sugar, and that is it. I hope you guys love this orange cake as much as we do. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. You can find the complete recipe with step-by-step photos on the blog Lean and Gray Fare, which I have linked below. And for more decadent gluten-free, nut-free, and egg-free recipes, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more recipe videos just like this one, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a single recipe. Thanks so much.